Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fabulous day today. If you are new, hello and welcome. My name is Missy. I am the Welders' wife. Also, if you are new, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down below. It would mean so much to me to have you as part of my YouTube family. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. It's just the Welders' wife XO, and I post a lot more of my personal everyday life on there. So if you're interested in that, make sure you're following me there. As for today, it is Sunday, and it's everybody's favorite day of the week, and that is What's for Dinner week. This week, I only have 3 dinners to show you because we had a super busy week this week, so keeping it very real with you guys, we ate out a lot this week, or we just kind of snacked around. So I only have 3 dinners, so let's hop in and let me show you what I made this week. To give you up for someone better, but no, she's a roller. So if you have been on my channel for a while, you know that anytime we make breakfast, Toby's pretty much the master of our breakfast, so he cooks most of it. So here Toby is just making some bacon and some sausage links, and I also wanted to point out to you guys that not only is Toby like cooking dinner, but him and Boston both are kind of helping do the dishes, and it's just so helpful. So I just wanted to give like a little shout out to my husband and my son for helping me clean and keep things, you know, kind of under control during the week. And so yeah, I ain't giving you up, no. Love the way we are together. Like, can't we always stay this way? So while Toby is doing that, I'm just going to scramble some eggs, and I wanted to show this to you guys because I do have a lot of like newlyweds or young girls that are just like learning how to cook, and they just, you know, need to know like basics. So all I do is I take as many eggs as you're gonna cook, I put them in a separate bowl, and I add some milk. That's like the secret to making them extra fluffy. And then I also add some shredded cheese, and then I just put them in a pan. I don't put any grease or anything like that in the pan. I turn it on high heat, and I continuously stir until they are almost done, and then I will take them off the heat and they will finish cooking then. So I love these scrambled eggs, and like I said, when you add a little splash of milk, it just makes them super fluffy. Toby also made homemade waffles in our waffle maker, but I have no idea what happened to that clip. It's just like disappeared. So that is what we had on the first night, just breakfast for dinner. So on the next night, I am making taco soup, and I had never made this before, and I found my recipe on Pinterest, where I find a lot of recipes. And so all I'm going to do is take a pound of hamburger meat, and I'm just going to brown that, and then in a separate pot, I just took a can of black beans, a can of corn, a small can of green chilies, 2 cups of salsa of your choice, and then 2 tablespoons of your taco seasoning that you prefer, and a tablespoon and a half of ranch mix, like the dry mix. And then I just drained that hamburger meat, stirred everything together, put the hamburger meat back into the pot, stirred that all up, and then I added a can of beef broth, and that was it. Literally like the most easy thing ever, and it was so good. This had to be like one of my favorite soups that I have tried, and when it's cold outside, it was just perfect. So I dressed mine with some tortilla strips. These are like the cheddar ones, and these were so good in there. And then I added a dollop of sour cream and also some shredded cheese. So that was what was for dinner that night, and like I said, you guys, this was so good. Also, I will leave a link, or not a link, I always leave a shopping list down below for you guys, and it just like shows everything that you need to pick up from the store to make it, and then you can come back to the video and see how it's like prepared. So I just wanted to mention that to you guys. If you ever are curious or you forget what's in it, always look in the description box down below. So on this next night, we kind of were just experimenting with different things. So I'm just going to show you this. We got a new air fryer, and I got it in the mail this day. And so I just wanted to try it out so bad. I've been on the fence about it, but after trying quite a few things in it now, I'm telling you, it is so worth it. Like, I cannot wait to make more things in this. But this night we just made some popcorn chicken, just something easy to snack on, and it was so crispy and it was so good. And I wanted to give you guys like a little tip that somebody gave me, was to shake it, like pull it out every few minutes and kind of shake it around. They say that makes it like crispy. That's what, you know, gives it that crispiness. But seriously, you guys, it did not have the greasy taste. It turned out crispy. It was delicious. I am like obsessed with this thing now. So that's it for this week's What's for Dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.